Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by validating prerequisites and starting the virtual machine now. Check that your host has enough RAM, CPU, and disk. 8 GB, 4 cores, and 50 GB is a good baseline. Once done, pick a hypervisor like VirtualBox or VMware and enable virtualization in BIOS. This matters because hardware acceleration impacts performance. Next, get the OS ISO or prefab image and place it on a fast SSD so installation proceeds without delay. Make sure you choose NAT versus bridged networking early. You now perform the detailed installation and optimization steps. Create the VM, set assigned RAM and CPU cores, pick a disk file type like VDI or VMDK, and attach the ISO. Do it before booting. Then follow the OS installer carefully. Partition the virtual disk, set time zone, and create a secure admin user. Once the OS is up, install guest editions or VM tools to enable drivers, shared folders, and improved display resolution. These tools explain why the VM feels native and responsive. You finish by securing the VM and confirming everything works. Take a snapshot of a stable state and set up backups or auto start if you rely on this environment. Then test networking, clipboard sharing, USB pass-through, and run a light workload to confirm performance. If problems appear, slow UI, no network, or missing devices, check VM logs, reinstall guest tools, and increase RAM or CPU allocation incrementally. That one troubleshooting step, reinstalling guest tools, often resolves driver-related failures and restores.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.